What's up, guys? I'm up on top of my Overland truck campers right now on the ladder. Just showing you guys how I mounted these. So this is some RV tape. Hold on, I'm taking a video holding down the front. It's the front of the truck. It's been up here for about 4 months now. Super sticky, hasn't moved. I check it every few weeks or so. And then here, all the way across, about every foot or so, I did a strip of heavy duty sticky back Velcro. You can see right there. And then underneath here, it's just an air gap, so nothing underneath. And let's see, here's another sticky back Velcro. And then one more, can't see it because the rail's in the way, but it's over here somewhere, right here. There's another one that goes all the way across, so 3 strips. You can see right here. It helps create an air gap underneath the camper. I could literally lift it up, so water doesn't really get trapped under there. I've been through some really strong crosswind this way, to the point where I felt it pushing my truck around a little bit, and none of it budged. So that's it, just heavy duty sticky back Velcro, crossways, this RV tape down. I could probably put a few strips of RV tape maybe along the back just to be safe, but like I said, I've been through some pretty gnarly wind, 80, 90 miles an hour on the freeway occasionally. No issues. So the Renogy 100 watt. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.